Hey y'all, so just want to throw a video together and have a discussion about assessing where we're at currently with a skill set or a general fitness level, whatever it is that you're going to relate this idea to for your health and wellness, because it can apply to a lot of different things. And it's understanding where you are in the learning phase versus like a mastery phase. So what do we mean by that? Well, the first couple of times we try something new, we either have no clue what that movement is, or it's the first time we've applied this habit strategy or new pattern in life we're going to practice. And so it may not seem as familiar, it may not seem as intuitive, it may not seem as easy, it may feel uncomfortable. You may go through it, and then at the end you're like, I don't even know what happened. Well, that means you're in the learning phase, right? 1,000 reps, 1,000 times, 1,000 hours. That's the idea. You're in the learning phase. If you're in the mastery phase, you understand kind of what you're doing ahead of time. You have an expectation of what you might gain from this, or what it might feel like. If it's exercise, how much rest you might need, or how hard the exercise may be, or how heavy that weight might be, what you might perceive it as, or, if it's some habit, food prep task or something you're getting used to, you start to become familiar with how long it's going to take, how much spice and seasoning to add into. Anyhow, you start to get familiar with these things, and so you have confidence levels that go up. Your outcomes become more potent. You gain more from them. The value's increasing because you're mastering your pattern. Where you are, learning phase, mastery phase, somewhere in between, at the tail end of learning, at the beginning of mastery, all these things. Where are you? Where you are can dramatically impact how we perceive our daily efforts, our outcomes, our achievements. If we're in a learning phase, how can we compare ourselves to maybe our peers, or maybe some things we read online as standards that other people are doing for themselves, if we're just still learning? Or if we're in a mastery phase and we're starting to kind of fall off of our routine, our pattern, we might be getting a little lazy, we might be getting out of habit because life's pulling at us one direction, and our healthy lifestyle habits are starting to suffer. I'm in the mastery phase. I should recognize this. I should pull myself back in. I should be harder on myself to stay in line. Get your mindset, reevaluate, think, set new goals, set new levels of success for yourself. Give yourself practical achievements and timelines to do those, and judge yourself appropriately. Are you still learning something? Are you getting better at it? Should you raise your standard for yourself? Are you a master? Should you hold a high standard? Anyhow, hope this helps. We'll see you soon.